Thank you so much. It was quiet. Sorry. A little bit. Ooh, I got gas coming, you guys. You're lucky. Here it comes. Oh, it was so small. Here it is. It was so small. Good, like, little family going on here. There it is. That felt good. I have another one. That one was so good. Ooh, that was a good one. Ooh, that one was spicy. Ooh, it smelled spicy too. Dance for you. I did it. Ready? Look it, guys. I have such a big gas bubble in my belly. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was for you guys. Wait. It was right there. Wait. It's coming, I promise. I just gotta work it out. Work it out. Told ya. That one was nice. Uh-oh. Clap it? You mean like this? I think I'm gonna poop. I gotta poop.